Ngikhuthaze.
Yo.
Ngikhuthaze.
Tshela undo.
Words of encouragement.
Tshela indole. Ngithi kundo. Thank you zombona. Ngizopha iphepha.
Ngiyakwazi.
Phela ke ngixoxele isithando sakhe.
Corinthians 1 chapter 1
verse 9 of the New Testament. The New Testament is that it's not your assignment
yes
to understand, but
Yes.
one day you
Kota.
look back and go,
Kota 7
yeah,
7
yes,
balokwe zinguma
yes,
zinguma
yes. Two things, and I'm gonna be honest with you, ne? Two things. So in life, ne, kune lento abathi ijourney yakho wena you keep your eye on the prize, and your prize is who you are now and who you are going to be moving forward, right? So if you're given a choice, I was in university operating, but university ingakutshela one day ukuthi yazi bengikuphi option ukuthi ufuna ukuna 7 and be overly exposed and then it diminishes next year, or you want me to sustain you so that your aim is for your career to sustain, and it's so there's certain things that disturbs that sustainability, and sometimes they look like they enhance it and they don't for some certain people. Like there are people outside 40 ababhekile. The last time they performed was 4 years ago, 5 years ago.
Hush.
You understand? So you approve with awards are great because they boost out. It's a tab.
Well done.
Right? But it's like, for instance, if you say you're doing this for fame, you've lost it. You must do it because you love it, because when fame dims, what's going to sustain your passion?
Yes.
You understand? So as long as you don't lose your passion, also right. But also again, masisiba nobuntu, we want.
Yeah.
There must always be a great spot and go. Bonga abantu by 4 or by 5, they are there for a reason, and they deserve it.
Honestly speaking, yeah.
It's fine, they deserve it.
It's katsabo,
Yes,
clearly.
they deserve it. But also, it's like some sort of fashion, there are people who decide.
Beba bahle abantu bakho.
Ngiyabonga.
Beba bahle.
Ngiyabonga.